We have to make a decision. Either we are for Christ or for evil. We have to renounce Satan. This is not only at the baptism, we renounce that. But it's a decision every person has to make, a choice which everyone has to make. And our whole existence depends on our choice. God has created each one of us in His image and is given a gift of life, a gift of human person. And so our bodies are temple of the Holy Spirit, which we received in baptism. And God helps us to live a divine life through the Holy Spirit. But even then, Jesus does not hide the danger of following Him, the cost of discipleship. And for that danger, He suggests 4 motives.